Okay, so let's see how this has been a cooking. I've just brought it in, I've put it on the extractor so that it's not too fumy. And it's less than 10%, so I'm just going to look for gloves. I can't find any bloody washing up gloves that fit me, so I'm just going to put my hands in. It's less than 10%. I'll wash them out as soon as I've finished. So let's see. I'll shove these in as well. Seems to have done quite a good job there. So this coating's coming off quite well. Seems to have done quite well. Yeah, all the rust off. See what we've got in here. Focus. It's not bad. I could probably do with a little bit longer. That one looks quite good. Yeah, the thing about this is it's like I say, it's less than 10%, so it's not going to harm me straight away. But what you don't want to do is leave it to evaporate, because then you'll get stronger and stronger acid. So I'll just take it all out. Just make sure it's gone underneath as well. That's pretty good. That's it, we're pretty much cooked. And I'll just go ahead and take all these out. Looking pretty good. Took off all the paint as well, which is pretty good. Off the end there. That's quite good. That's pretty good. Quite happy with that. Cast on it. Looking good. Oops, I've lost my cast on at the end of that one. Never mind, I'll find it again. Don't know where the other one of these is, but that one's come out quite well. All sorts of stuff. Lovely. Now I've got to categorise it all again. I'll just have to wash all these. Should take the. It's not quite. Does it take the blue off it? A little bit maybe. Fingers are freezing because it's been outside. Don't really do much with the grease. So remove the grease before you put it in acid. God, it's fucking freezing. Caramba. God, it's freezing. Jesus. Oh, God, Bennett, it's cold. Caramba. I have to do this on the coldest day, don't I? Right, just make that sure that's it. Right, there's a couple more in there. That's cold. Right then. Right, must have a cut there. It's stinging a little bit, but otherwise, that's fine. I'll just go and wash my hands up. Yeah. Okay, and here we have them drying on the side on an old tea towel next to the sink. So, not bad at all. I don't know how many of these I'll be using. And some of them are pretty bespoke, but you can still get them, like these long top arm front suspension bolts. You can still get them. Some people sell them. just starting to flash rust now as they come off. It's funny how they do that. I suppose it's because I've just washed them in water. There you go. Those end pieces. Crusty around the bottom. And these were the gloves I found. They're never going to fit my shovels. And also, I just made this mount the other day as well. It's I've been looking for magnetic foam mounts, and they're stupidly expensive. So just an old Chinese, well, a new Chinese one, and I just welded a bracket onto the top, a bit of a bracket on the bottom, and a big magnet on the bottom, and yeah, I've just been using that to film. So that cost me virtually nothing. It's better than yeah. So there we go, lovely little thing. Grand stuff. So I'm quite happy with that. Probably could have left them in a bit longer, but like I say, I don't know what I'm going to use, what I'm not going to use. So yeah, that's it for now. Bye bye.